A while ago, we literally got the cheapest Skyline we could find.
So, the big reveal, what we're putting on today, putting on the coilovers. Yes! About time. Massive thing. So, there they are. Dad got them in blue. Why he did that beats me, but we're gonna paint them red. So, right now we're cracking the bolts off the wheels, getting them loose so we can lift the car up. We got some crusty old things to, anyway. That's gonna hold the car up, which is dodgy as. So, yeah, big day today. We're also gonna cut out the rust pull in the boot, which is gonna be epic. So, yeah, big day, a lot of fun, lots to do. It's gonna be epic. Getting tough now. That good?
Just that little box. You might have to put that, take that bolt out of that so it goes all the way down.
Brake gets in there.
Over here.
Rusty these things are. Things in here.
Don't get the vacuum.
There's no pin in this to hold it up.
So we are using a screwdriver because there's no pin.
Nice. What, pump it up a bit or?
Hey? So that just sits on those stands, so it's nice.
These are really, really weird bolts. Like, if you look at them, they're like, normally you can just use a drill to get these out, but you need like the Allen key ones. Obviously quite rusted in the, but yeah, it's pretty bad. All right, so these are pretty rusty. So we're gonna put the bolts in this like rust remover stuff. Right now, Tess is taking off the other wheel. This is the, look at the suspension right now. Like there's grass and crap everywhere, but essentially we're removing this stuff in here. So you can see the shocks are like leaky as, there's just like oil everywhere. Like even look at that, look at the plastic, it's like flaky. So the cores are gonna do a good job. Control arms look good and everything. Second wheel off.
Wrong size?
Yeah.
You'll have to do it, Tess.
Jeez, that is on there.
Don't use force, use a bigger lever. Ooh, that was on tight. I can take it all the way off because
Yeah, but I'm saying like too quickly, so I don't have to keep readjusting it. Should I use the
ratchet. Yeah.
Not that I go to the gym. I do sometimes. Oh, Someone did these very tight. Very, very, very tight. Now, guys, let me know. Should I do an in-golf comp? I'm kidding. I probably won't. But I might. How's my swing? That good?
Yep.
One more.
Yeah, keep going.
Look at this. That is absolutely shocking. It's just like
Shocking's probably wrong word.
yeah, it's not shocking. It's not shocking like it's meant to shock. Is the closest? Is it the longer one? Or is it the shorter one? That's the one we took off, but that doesn't match that. So just like a math test, you just go, all right, well, the closest answer is the longer one. That's like, oh, I see what you mean, actually.
Because that spring is,
Yeah.
see how far it's stretched?
One down, one to go.
That's so much lower.
We could have died just then, but it was necessary. Well, they're not shocking. We established that. Again, this one is just like shredded to the, like nothing is left on that. Is in. Beautiful. Come on, well, we can put the wheels on and see how she looks. Come on, that was tough.
What?
We've made a mistake, a big one. We're actually idiots. Obviously, coilovers are shorter than normal suspension, and so we were like, oh yeah, no, it'll be fine, like we'll be able to pull this thing out. And then as we started lowering it, it jammed the jack under the car. Absolute muppets. So we're gonna have to try and adjust these things now to get that jack out. Okay, so we've got a jack from one of our cars and we're gonna try and put that on to lift it up so that we can get this thing out. How that's all gonna work, stay tuned. we got it out. You can see the gap is significantly closer now, which is pretty epic. So, coilovers are officially working. Crap. We just realized that... Come with me. We just realized that obviously with the wheels being there, the shocks are not going to be there. So we can't get that out. They're going to be right there. But if you look inside, you can't see them because all the seats and everything are in the way. So we're going to have to somehow take all that out to get to those. To be fair though, this is the first time where things have gotten more difficult. Everything else has been really easy. Pain in the bumhole. Crap. We just found out we need to pull the seats out. That sucks.
Indeed.
Alright, well. Am I going the right way? Oh my god.
Bit tight.
No.
Hang on. The inside. Yeah, the opposite way.
Oops.
I think he was just tightening it.
Oh my goodness. That is terrifying. That also could have killed me. No kidding. Look at that long boy. Jeez.
The boots on this are
Slightly better.
No.
Last coilover is in. How good.
How's it?
It looks fine. Like, maybe less than 2 of my fingers. No, it's actually really good. That's fit in there so nicely. Wow, epic. Coilover's done. Yes! Yes! How good. Good job, team. Well done, everyone. You did great. I'm showing you the dad is currently trying to get out that thing. It's absolutely gnarly. We're gonna have to cut that out, get that done. We're gonna